Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to review the Austral 51 folding clothesline. Now this clothesline will suit between 3 to 5 people. It does depend on your wash load size. It has a 3.8 metre head diameter, which means from one tip to the other is 3.8 metres long. Now it has 51 metres of hanging space also, which is quite a lot, and it has 7 lines. Now the longest line, which is the outer line, is 2.54 metres long, which means it will hold a queen sheet, yet it does depend on the brand of sheets. Sometimes they might be a little scrunched up because some brands make them a little bigger than the Australian standard. The frame is made out of a galvanised high tensile steel and it is powder coated and does come in several colour options. The post is 57 millimetres in diameter. Now the clothesline is pre-wired when you get it, so you don't have to put the wire in. You just dig the hole, insert the socket, and then put the top section into the bottom section, and that's all you have to do. It's quite an easy assembly process. Now the other benefit of the Austral Foldaway 51 is you do have 3 different height settings when you're installing it. So just measure the height. It normally is about 50 to 100 millimetres above the person's head who's going to use it most, and you put a pin in the socket and lower it in position. So once that pin's in, you can't actually change it. So just be aware of that and be careful when you're setting the height the first time. Also, it comes with a 20-year factory-backed warranty. Now the height is adjustable simply by turning this handle. If you're looking for extra space in your yard, you can actually fold this down, which gives you back all that room. In addition to that, you can remove it when not in use from the ground socket. So I hope this has assisted you with the Austral 51 folding clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting theclotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.